If you recently stayed at a hotel and want to leave a review on Booking.com, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. First, open Booking.com and log into your account. To leave a review, you must have completed a stay that was booked through your account. Booking.com only allows verified guests to post reviews. Once logged in, go to My Trips or Bookings in your account dashboard. Find the completed stay you want to review. If the property is eligible for review, you'll see a button that says Leave a Review. Click on it. Now you'll be asked to rate different categories, such as cleanliness, comfort, location, facilities, staff, and value for money. Give each category a score based on your experience. Next, write a short review describing your stay. You can mention what you liked, what could be improved, and whether you would stay there again. Keep it honest and helpful for future travelers. After writing your review, click Submit. Your review will usually be published shortly after submission, once it passes moderation. And that's it. That's how you leave a review on Booking.com in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, like and subscribe for more travel and tech guides.